Okay.
The
Only
situation is
viral, na? It's not
impossible.
corona, na?
No, it is not, miss.
Thank God.
Thank,
Thank God.
thank God. But they are living alone over there. They have to do, they have to manage to work themselves in this condition or as well.
अच्छा.
Because there is nobody to help them.
अच्छा. They don't have any neighbor, मतलब they can help them.
They have neighbor, but in Mumbai, you how can we rely anybody?
Mm,
This is the condition of Mumbai and her society. There is two patient of COVID-19.
okay. Yesterday there were, I think 20,000 people were positive, na? In today's news, it was.
Mumbai COVID-19 is increasing in Mumbai.
In even Nagpur, numbers are increasing day by day.
Hmm. Again, the same scenario is
Mm,
coming. This is the third year. 3 साल का
yes.
हो गया COVID-19.
Yes.
3 साल का हो गया लेकिन अभी भी बचपना नहीं गया उसका.
Mm, he did
So
not leave his childhood. Corona has not left his
नहीं, now
childhood
he
till.
has become mature. He is now mature, and another name Omicron, and another
One more
variant.
viral has come, na? One more viral has come with Omicron. From yesterday's news, I heard about that in abroad. I think it's in USA. USA condition is also not good. So
Hmm.
in USA, one more viral is also appear with Omicron. Appeared. Huh? One more viral is appeared with Omicron. New viral.
Appeared.
Appear यानी प्रकट हो गया है तो
Appeared.
appeared is appeared present be present है ना. Actually na,
हाँ.
what I'm trying to speak in more in English because whenever people who are more fluent, they come in front of us, we are not able to talk because somewhere I feel hesitate that maybe I will be wrong, I will be wrong. That's why not dare to speak in front of them.
But no, in this condition we are more confident. Or what happened? Na, sometimes as like every day I am having work with the Renu Bhabhi. Or whenever I have work with her, na, so we talk 1 hour with each other. So this makes me a confidence. And repeatedly I when I attend the class now, so I speak very much, very well. But I whenever I don't have work with her, na, so I stuck somewhere else while speaking, just like now. Or if you are having a company to speak, na, so it is much better with us.
Hmm.
Yes, we are
No.
speaking at least
What
one.
I what I do, I speak one line in English, like in line in Hindi. मतलब both the languages I compile and speak with people who are.
English means you are speaking English.
Hmm. Because so that's why I was thinking कि now I um
But you grammatically, so you are very perfect. You whenever you speak very confidently, I can say कि you speak very confidently and with grammar. So
but
you should
I
not
uh, I
hesitate.
need more practice some of vocabulary. I need some vocabulary also to improve my vocabulary because somewhere I don't know the meaning of words in English, or somewhere like.
It comes automatically while speaking or while reading newspaper. If you read everyday newspaper, then you can get the new vocabulary every day two or five or 10 every day. I also read the newspaper and I collect the vocabulary, matlab improve my vocabulary during reading. So it is. Do you read newspaper?
No, no, this is my minus point. Nowadays, I'm very much busy, so I'm not reading newspaper and all that. Earlier, I was reading, but from last three,
Get
four
it
months,
subscribed. Any Times of India and or Hitwa, whatever you want to get it subscribed and read every day.
okay, in mobile, na?
Newspaper,
Hmm?
newspaper.
Yes, newspaper we can subscribe it na on mobile also.
E-newspaper you can read, but the yeah, hard paper. I'm not asking about soft paper newspaper. I'm telling the hard newspaper. It will be a beneficial.
Mm-hmm.
The whole the time if you cannot see the mobile just because of batteries, just because of the but you have a newspaper, hard newspaper. You can read anytime, every time, whenever you get free. So you can read it. Or we should not watch all the time mobile. We should not hang. We should not be hangover of mobile. Because of
Mm-hmm.
mobile, I am wearing this yeah, glasses because of mobile. हाँ,
Spectacles.
opticals. नहीं नहीं,
Spectacles.
spectacles,
Spectacles.
spectacles, glasses, or you can say spectacles. नहीं specs नहीं. अरे
Yes, you can say specs also, but spectacles is
हाँ,
the right word. But in short, we say specs.
specs हाँ, specs. Uh, I heard something for else. Glasses and हाँ. Sometime na I'm confused. I remain confused. Sir, is there? Good
I want
afternoon.
to share after listening Poonam's problem. Whenever she talks to anybody, she hesitates. You know, at the beginning, what I used to do, Poonam, at the beginning when I started learning English, I used to say the second person clearly in Hindi कि भाई मैं सीख रहा हूँ अभी इंग्लिश. And what happens once in train, one senior uncle was there. So I said, Uncle, nowadays मैं सीख रहा हूँ English. So I will talk to you. You can tell me my mistakes. So this one sentence, कि I am learning nowadays, makes you free from here. You can feel this. Explaining is different, but feeling is different. You just say anybody कि मैं अभी कोचिंग में सीख रहा हूँ, then you will be able to talk to him or her with confidence. Today's sentence is the next sentence or third phase of passive is they asked me my name. Firoz, come here and see here so you can understand. See, this is shine, tip light. Yes, sir. Under the sentence.
will make.
Poonam, have you met Firoz?
No, sir, I haven't met him.
No, he
Today
will
I'm.
talk to you for 5 minutes only because he is pressed for time.
Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And how are you?
I'm fine.
So, Uh, what do you do?
I'm an electrician and I'm a driver also.
Okay. Um, so you also come to learn English.
Yes, yes. Actually, I have done. Earlier, I used to learn and I have completed my course and I am able to talk to in English.
Okay. Nice to meet you. And you are speaking also very nicely.
So am I.
He's fitting actually tube lights and
Acha.
he remains pressed for time. So generally, I do not invite him. He's the best example of English that does not matter you are auto driver, you are electrician, does not matter. Actually, he's not in touch with English for a long time. Sometimes what happens, you get so many responsibilities of family. He's actually earlier his mother was not well and he was only single to take care of her. She's no more. So he was taking whole care, all care of mother. She was bedridden. He used to make lunch, breakfast, dinner, and Aparna, his mom was in the same condition once our father was. So he was doing everything. So he used to get up late in the morning, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, because at night his mom used to get up and she used to get some problems. He used to get up at late night to remove the to solve the problem. Then he used to drive his auto late night after 12 o'clock night. He used to get double benefit because uh, his mom used to sleep, then he used to take his auto, and after 12 o'clock, everybody knows the rates are double. Auto rates are double. Special privilege it is. So he used to get some passengers, but he used to get enough amount within 2 hours or three. Then he used to come back home, used to sleep, and used to get up late in the morning. Then he used to give his auto on rent in the morning. Another guy used to come and used to take the auto and drive whole the day. Used to drive the auto whole the day. And he used to give him 300 rupees as a rent of auto. So he was facing problems for last some years. That's why he was not in touch. But whenever I call him, he is not an electrician right now. He's running auto only. But whenever I call him for these little jobs, odd jobs, they are called odd jobs. छोटे मोटे काम. So generally electricians don't come for odd jobs because they do not get enough money. In that case, he comes and he's very good and proper in his work, up to date, not workable. He does not believe in काम चलाऊ work. He does whatever he does it perfectly and properly. As you are watching, he is fitting. So, and if you have this nature, the result will be seen in everywhere. Whether you are learning English or doing your kitchen or doing your laundry. Uh, like Amir Khan is called perfectionist. He makes one movie in a year, but he makes perfect movie. So he's called perfectionist. He is called. This is passive voice. उसे perfectionist बुलाया जाता है या वह perfectionist कहलाता है. Okay, let's come to this. I'm going to switch off one tube light. Meanwhile, you can start asking the question.
Okay. Poonam, which chapter does this sentence belong?
This sentence belongs to simple past tense, Aparna. What is the category of the sentence?
It is an affirmative sentence. It is an affirmative sentence, Poonam. What is the subject in this sentence, Poonam?
They is the subject in the sentence. Uh, um, what is helping over there, Aparna?
Poonam, there is no helping verb in this sentence.
So,
What is asked?
asked is the second form of the verb. What is me in this sentence?
Me is a possessive adjective. Nee, they asked me. Object.
Noun.
Object.
Object.
What is my in this?
My is the possessive adjective. My name is actually extension.
Name is a noun, and altogether, my name is
Extension.
extension.
Now, ladies, we are going to learn a new rule of grammar and a new thing of passive voice. This sentence is having two objects. Object number one, object number two.
Two.
One day Sarika was asking this question. Hey, what will do in this situation or in this condition? So now I'm going to answer you. According to the rule of grammar, if you get two objects in any sentence, you will have to take living object to make it precise. Poonam, can you repeat the complete sentence? Then Aparna will repeat, whether it is wrong.
Okay. If there are two objects, then we will have to take living object. Aparna?
If there are two objects in a one sentence, we will get first a living object. We will take living object.
So, Poonam, what is the living object in this sentence?
So my name is the living object.
Aparna, what is the living object in this sentence?
Me, me is a living object in this sentence.
Poonam, what is the subject of me?
So I is the subject of me.
So, first, according to first rule, we change the object
Into the
into this
subject.
one.
Okay, my name is non-living. Yes, sir.
Now, now you are watching the real change. Earlier, we used to put it only, but now real change is shown here. Passive voice. वास्तविक परिवर्तन यहाँ दिखाया जा रहा है. The real change is being shown here. Real change. The word was totally different. The word has been totally different. शब्द बिल्कुल अलग था, अब बिल्कुल अलग हो गया है. This is the real change you are watching first time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Aparna will ask about the next rule to Poonam.
Okay, Poonam, tell us what is the second rule of passive voice?
The second rule of passive voice is we thereafter we take the helping verb accordingly if it is present. But there is no helping verb. So the what is the third rule, Aparna?
Third rule, then we remember the god of passive voice, that is be. When be comes in past, what are the forms?
When Mr. B comes in past, the forms are was and were. But here I is working a singular number, so we will take the
Let Aparna ask that next question,
okay.
or you ask the next question to Aparna.
Okay. Aparna, so which form will we take here with I?
We will take the was out of them out of them over there.
Okay, let me ask this question in the same manner. Aparna, what should I take over here out of them?
We should take
We
we should
nahi.
take
What should I take over here out of them? What should I take over here out of them?
you should take was over there out of them.
अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन तुम पूनम से पूछो. Ask the next question. Why should?
Poonam, why should we take was over there out of them?
Uh, we should take was out of them because I is working as a singular number. And with singular number, we take was. So was is helping verb or main verb?
Now you tell me what was his helping verb or main verb here.
Here was is forms of be past, so it should
Because
be
helping verb is not present here.
yes, sir. Okay. Uh, what is the third rule of passive voice, Aparna?
Now we change the
Sorry, what is the fourth rule of passive voice?
fourth rule. Huh. Now, after that, we change the main verb into the V3. Now we change the main verb. And what is the main verb in
Ask
upper
is
one
the
sentence?
main verb, and asked is the third form of the ask. Uh, what is the last and fifth rule of passive voice, Aparna?
Lastly, we change the subject into the object. Object into the subject. नहीं. Lastly, we change the subject into the object with the help of by.
And
But
ladies, what about this?
so which object should we use? Take, Poonam?
No, we will use here subject according to the rule of passive voice. When there are two objects,
So which object should we take?
no, I think their subject will upper one subject will come in as a object, no?
But I'm asking which object should we change into the subject in upper one sentence?
We have already changed the object into the subject, that is me, I.
Yes.
Now, according to last rule of passive voice, lastly we change the subject into the
Object
object
into the
with the help of by.
object.
So
Yeah.
when um, by them, no? So, I was asked by them.
Them is a object of they.
Yes.
I was asked by them.
Is it working?
No,
I
sir.
was
My
asked
name
by.
is Rest. My name
No,
is
sir.
Rest.
Yes, no, sir. It is working. Um, उनके द्वारा मेरे लिए पूछा जा रहा था.
But where is my name? I
ए-
was asked my name by them.
उन्होंने मेरा नाम पूछा.
They asked my name.
हम्म.
They asked my name. उन्होंने मेरा
हम्म.
नाम पूछा. This is active voice.
I was asked my name by them. ऐसे ही कुछ हो रहा है. Something like this.
No, we will leave my name actually. We will take only.
Now already we have taken object in a subject, so now we can take
Okay. Again, we can take two objects.
second
I
option.
was asked my name by them.
My name. Then lastly we change the subject into the object. और फिर नहीं तो ये छोड़ यहीं पे छोड़ we can leave the sentence. I was asked my name. मेरा नाम पूछा
I
गया.
will have to give you an example to feel it practical. Suppose you went to attend an interview, and interview starts 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in the morning. Then whole the day it goes on and on and on. And in between there is 1 hour for lunch. 1 hour is given for lunch. So half of the candidates are done. This is also passive voice. And half of the candidates are rest. So when the lunch was declared, so all the candidates went to the garden or the ground, and they opened their lunch boxes and started taking lunch. So the guys who already faced the interview, they were also sitting, and rest guys were also sitting. So according to human nature, they talk to each other in Hindi. अरे काहे, क्या क्या पूछा गया? अच्छा, तो जो अटेंड करके आए हैं वो बताना शुरू करेंगे अभी. देयर आर ओनली 2 गाइज हियर. तो अब पूरा दारोमदार आपके पास है, आप इंटरव्यू अटेंड करके आए हैं. उनमें से एक मैं भी हूँ जो अटेंड करके आया. तो बाकी लोगों ने पूछा काहे, क्या पूछा गया है? तो मैंने बोला फर्स्टली माय नेम वाज आस्क्ड, या आई वाज आस्क्ड माय नेम. दो में से कोई एक उत्तर दूंगा. अब आप बताइए आपसे क्या पूछा गया. इसको बदलिए.
Firstly, my name was asked.
इसको बदलते जाइए, कुछ सेंटेंस बनाइए.
Then my age was asked. Then my age was asked.
पूनम,
नहीं. Then I was asked my age. You are mute, Poonam.
I was asked my age. I was asked my education.
one by one. Complete the process.
मेरे से मेरा नाम पूछा था, मेरे से मेरी एजुकेशन पूछी थी.
गई.
एक एक करके बताए. अपर्णा.
Then I was asked of my native place. फिर मेरा native place पूछा गया.
I was asked my caste. मेरे से मेरी कास्ट पूछी थी.
I was asked of my graduation percentage. फिर मेरा ग्रेजुएशन का परसेंटेज पूछा गया.
I was asked my year of graduation. मेरे से मेरा ग्रेजुएशन का साल पूछा गया है. मैंने कब किया है.
अब यहाँ थोड़ा सा विराम देते हैं. This is the sentence you can get number in exams. But अब हम आते हैं प्रैक्टिकल सेंटेंस पे, जो कि शायद आपको ना बताया जाता हो. हमने वैसे पहले बोल दिया था, वो गलती हो गई हमसे. अब हम ग्रामर से बाहर आ गए हैं, तो हम स्वतंत्र हैं. हम दूसरे वाले को लेते हैं.
My name was.
पहला सेंटेंस मैं बनाता हूँ, फिर आप लोग बनाना. My technical qualification was asked. मेरी तकनीकी योग्यता पूछी गई.
My previous experience was asked. मेरा पुराना एक्सपीरियंस पूछा गया.
My family background was asked. मेरी फैमिली बैकग्राउंड पूछी गई.
Expected salary was asked.
I was about to tell this.
भाई कितना लोगे ये तो बताओ.
Expected salary was asked. Hmm. Uh, the place where I worked, I was in job, was asked. The place where
The name
नहीं
of my previous company was asked.
अच्छा the name of my previous company was asked. मेरी पुरानी कंपनी के बारे में पूछा गया.
So
नाम
my
मेरी
time
पुरानी
was asked uh, in hours. मतलब कितने घंटे I can give. My time was ऐसा बोल सकते हैं.
My typing speed was asked.
My knowledge was asked.
Hmm. My qualification was asked.
My health
Qualification
was
regarding
asked.
job. Hmm.
My health was asked. Uh, is there any mark or yeah, whatever?
My health, about my health was asked. मेरे है ना? I think so.
कम लोगों में ये नुकसान होता है कि क्रिएटिविटी. अब हम ही एक बनाते हैं सेंटेंस. माय स्ट्रेंथ एंड माय वीकनेसेस वर आस्क्ड.
Hmm. 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 क्या? My my working hours and my dedication regarding job was asked.
My handwritten paper was asked. No? Writing देखने के लिए.
Handwritten paper. हाँ.
To see my writing.
Hmm. Knowledge of knowledge of
Meanwhile, if you want to write it, if you want to write them, you can.
done. Are you done?
Yes, I have also done.
I'm done. So, have you ever faced interview, Puna?
Um, I um, I have faced once or twice.
Only.
Only
After marriage, before marriage.
after marriage.
I have faced so many interviews in my life,
Okay.
in so many places for central school and for schooling, for private job, for means so many interviews I have faced in beauty pageant, like that.
चलो थोड़ा सा और खेलते हैं इसमें. Let's play one more round with different words. My reasoning was checked. मेरी तार्किक योग्यता चेक की गई.
Hmm. My education qualification certificates were uh, watched.
My talking way was checked.
मेरे सर्टिफिकेट्स देखे गए. Hmm.
My
My
language was checked.
uh, my confidence and strength were noticed. मेरे क्या मेरा मनोबल और नहीं मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस मनोबल चेक किया गया, नोटिस किया गया. मेरी योग्यता नोटिस की गई.
My patience was tested.
Hmm.
My personality was seen, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. My my fluency of English was testified. नहीं नहीं क्या testified should be there.
Checked. You can say checked. Tested. Tested. My English
Hmm.
was tested.
My communication skills were examined.
My sincerity was felt, महसूस की गई. मेरी सिंसियरिटी को महसूस किया गया. Hmm.
Overall, my ability was checked.
My presence of mind was appreciated. मेरे presence of mind को appreciate किया गया. My mistakes were granted.
My knowledge
मेरी
was enhanced. ऐसा हो सकता है? मेरे नॉलेज को बढ़ाया गया. Enhanced.
I went for army, so my chest was measured and my running stamina was checked. Then I faced loco pilot exam, so my eyesight was examined.
when I went when I went for participation of Miss Jabalpur, so overall performance was seen. Yeah, overall performance was seen. देखा गया. My catwalk was seen. My smile, my catwalk were seen. Mm. When I went for a drawing teacher vacant, my drawings were checked.
When I was newly married, then my nature was analyzed.
Wow. When my friend appeared in front of her in-laws, she was checked by walking and by singing. Is she able to speak or walk? This kind of activities earlier it happens na in gaon village side of the some ladke wale come used to come, so they check the things of girls ki if she able to walk or how is her walking and how is her voice like this.
Her
So
walking and
her
singing were tested.
tested, her singing and walking was tested by the ladke wale.
uh, when I was preparing my satsang program uh, in Radhaswami satsang, then my voice quality and interaction quality was were checked बोलेंगे sir or heard. What can we say, sir? Because they
Both will
also
do.
see voice quality and interaction. How much interaction I can do with kids.
Examined, checked,
Yeah.
tested.
I was appearing for Miss MP. My nature was watched.
My income was assessed. मेरी आय नापी गई. Self assessment test. Assessed.
Jha sir teaches us English. Which chapter does this sentence belong, Aparna?
This sentence belongs to present simple. What is the category of this sentence?
It is an affirmative sentence, Aparna. What is the subject in this sentence?
Jha sir is the subject in this sentence. What is the helping verb in this sentence?
There is no helping verb in this sentence. What is teaches in this sentence, Aparna?
Teach is the first form of the verb in this sentence. What is us in this sentence?
Us is the object in this sentence. What is English in this sentence, Aparna?
English is an adject, adject, नहीं, अरे, noun or extension in this sentence.
Second
Noun,
object,
नहीं, yeah, extension in this sentence.
O2.
What? O2, अच्छा.
Okay, so here there are two object and living object is us.
A subject of us is we.
We. According to first rule, we change the object into the subject.
Subject.
What is the second rule, Aparna?
Then we take the helping verb accordingly if it is present.
There is no
What is
helping
the
verb.
helping?
So, according to third rule is we remember the god of passive voice, that is be. So, what are the forms of be?
When
In
be comes in present, what are the forms?
the forms of be are in present tense is, are, am.
Is,
So,
is, am, and are. The forms are is, am, and are. So,
uh,
what form,
should we take?
which form we will take out of them over there? Which
Which form should we,
be should we take over there out of them?
we take here are, because we is plural. Yeah. What is the fourth rule of
Uh, Later on, we change the main verb into V3. What is the main verb over there in upper one sentence?
teach is the main verb and taught is the third form of teach. Uh,
Arey, I was mute and I was speaking without unmuting. What is the fifth rule of passive voice?
lastly, we change the subject into the object. So, what is the object here? We take here
subject into the object. So we then we take the O2. Next we take the object 2.
We are taught English. O2.
Yeah, taught. We are taught.
Uh, and we can say na sir कि English is taught by Jha sir. Even non-living subject we can take.
अब हम दूसरे वाक्य में पहुंच गए हैं और आप लोग समझ गए हैं, तो इसको प्रैक्टिकल बनाने के लिए हम ऐसा उदाहरण दे रहे हैं जो तुमने आस पास चारों तरफ सैकड़ों बार देखा है। ये हमने रख दिया प्रैक्टिकल बनाने।
English is taught by Jha sir.
मान लो हम एक बोर्ड लगाते हैं इंग्लिश क्लासेस या Jha sir क्लासेस, तो नीचे लिख देंगे स्पोकन इंग्लिश इज टॉट हियर। हिंदी क्या होगा पूनम?
इंग्लिश बोलना सिखाई जाती है।
यहाँ बोलने वाली इंग्लिश सिखाई जाती है।
यहाँ बोलने वाली।
अब आप घर से निकलिए दोनों और मोहल्ले में जाइए, बाजार में जाइए, और ऐसे ही मिलते जुलते सेंटेंस आपके आसपास ढेर मौजूद है, बताइए।
Piku and fall are done here.
यहाँ पीकू एवं
Piku
फॉल
fall
किया
किया
जाता है।
कम
और ये
अपना
Piku and fall are done here. Piku fall किया जाता है।
अब सुन लो, देखने नहीं मिलेगा, केवल सुन लो।
मेकअप इज डन हेयर। मेकअप किया जाता है।
इसको हम पूरा कर देते जैसे हमने देखा है।
Bridal makeup is
ब्राइडल
done.
मेकअप इज डन हियर।
Mehndi is done here. Mehndi is name. Mehndi is applied here. मेहंदी यहाँ पे लगाई जाती है।
मशीन एम्ब्रॉयडरी इज डन हियर। हैंडवर्क इज डन हियर। हाँ,
पूनम वर्ब बदलने की कोशिश करो हर बार। एक सेंटेंस यहाँ फुहारे पे पढ़ना तुमने भी देखा होगा एक दुकान में। कटे फटे नोट्स आर एक्सचेंज्ड हियर। शोरूम में देखा होगा वीजा कार्ड इज एक्सेप्टेड हियर। अब एक सेंटेंस तुम लोग सुन लो इसके मुंह से। हाँ,
फिरोज।
ब्लैक मैजिक इज डन हियर।
homemade papad is available here. ये
homemade papad is made here.
made here.
एक और सेंटेंस हमने पढ़ा था।
बोले
The genuine parts of Hero Honda are sold here.
ओ नहीं, क्या कहते हैं, जंग नहीं, गार्बेज आर पुट हियर। Garbage are put here. Garbage is put here. कचरा यहाँ डाला जाता है। अरे idol of God are immersed here. यहाँ पे भगवान की प्रतिमाओं का विसर्जन किया जाता है। Accounts is credited here.
So just
यहाँ पे अकाउंट क्रेडिट किया जाता है।
beside my house there is a Sai Mandir, and in that temple it's written प्रसाद के लिए कच्चा अनाज चावल आटा लिया जाता है. So
For prasad, the raw
Accept.
grains. Sir?
Verb is accept.
Accepted.
accepted. Accepted. Grains, raw grains are accepted here for prasad.
Credit card are accepted here. Paytm card are accepted. Paytm cards and credit cards are accepted here.
Electric bills are submitted here.
Electric bills are submitted here.
आधार कार्ड्स आर मेड हियर. यहाँ आधार कार्ड बनाए जाते हैं.
पीसने को grind here. Okay, grains are grind here. Grinded. नहीं, third, grinded here. यहाँ पे अनाज पीसा जाता है.
Paytm is accepted here.
Things are unfolded here. यहाँ पे चीजें अनफोल्ड की जाती हैं.
थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंशन चेंज भी करो बच्चों. Pizza is delivered within 30 minutes.
Servant, lady servant is required here.
दुकान में काम करने वाले लड़के लड़कियों की जरूरत है.
Girls and boys are required in the shop. In this shop. Results are
Computer
declared.
learned boy is needed here. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं.
Turn boy needed here. Turn boys.
मतलब जिनको कंप्यूटर आता है वैसे.
Trained boy. हाँ.
Trained, computer trained or learned. Trained.
Trained.
Technical trained worker is needed here.
Fresh dough is used in Pizza Hut.
Fresh doughs is used in pizza.
Try to change the verb.
Children are डराया जाता है. Feared. नहीं. For example.
Frightened.
Frightened for exam. बच्चों को एग्जाम के लिए डराया जाता है.
सर जब नोटबंदी हुई थी तो ओल्ड नोट्स आर टेकन हियर.
एक और सुन लो.
Fees is submitted here.
Fees is submitted here.
This is the favorite sentence of Bobby.
It's my job.
Yes, of course not. Hmm. Work is finished here within a second. बहुत ही कम समय में काम पूरा किया जाता है, खत्म किया जाता है.
एक और सुन लो.
Failures are welcomed here. In Jharkhand.
Welcomed here.
Below 10-year children are not taken for right. This right.
Boys are not allowed here. In my company, girls' company.
Only couples are allowed.
हाँ.
अब देखो रियल पैसिव वॉइस में मजा आने लगा है ना, सारे प्रश्नों का उत्तर मिलता जा रहा है.
Cigarette is prohibited here.
Very good.
Smoking is prohibited in this zone.
Suits were not allowed.
Addicted materials are not allowed in flights.
Train
Sharp things
tickets are booked here. Train tickets and aeroplane tickets are booked here. एक सेंटेंस और सुन लो.
Books are sold in.
Old books are sold here.
Old books are sold.
यहाँ पुरानी किताबें बेची जाती हैं.
Books are purchased here. Old books are purchased here. पुरानी किताबें खरीदी जाती हैं. Were purchased in my time. हमारे समय में पुरानी किताबें खरीदी जाती थी. सेकेंड है.
Weight is lost within 7 days. Come again.
Car is washed in Lalu's shop.
Car is washed in Lalu's shop.
When I was in college, that time I had read a newspaper that English is taught in 7 days.
Read in news.
Read.
You read. What did you read? What did you read?
English is taught in 7 days. Spoken English is taught in.
Kundali is made here.
Hmm.
2 बज गए बच्चों।
Old movies are showed here. पुरानी मूवी दिखाई जाती है थिएटर। Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
बाय।
Have a good day. Bye.